So today I'll be creating a tour guide for you as a seller to be able to sell on Behalaal. So first of all, for you to be able to sell on Behalaal website, you have to have an account. And once you search for behalal.com, behalal.com is going to take you to the interface of the website. So for you to be a seller or a vendor on Behalaal, you go straight to you toggle to sign in slash register at the top right of the website. So here is it. You toggle to it to register. So if you're a new seller, you don't have an account as a new seller, you input your email address here. So automatically a password will be sent to your email address to for reset. So then you sign up as a vendor. So once you sign up as a vendor, automatically and you've reset and done all the necessary um password and everything, so you'll be able to sign into your account as a seller. So here is how to sign in to your account as a seller once you've registered and sign up. So I'll be using a seller account, someone that has already registered on this website, which is Behalaal Organics. So this is the email address. So it will take me to the dashboard. Sign in, you'll be able to have access to your account as a seller. So you go to the top right again and you click on my account. So this is how your account will look like on Behalaal website. So you toggle down to your dashboard, vendor dashboard, where you'll be able to upload your product or anything you are selling. So here is where you upload your product. Anything you want to sell, here is where you are going to upload them. So you click on product. So for Behalaal Organics, these are the products that have been uploaded on the dashboard as a seller. So for you as a new seller, as a seller that is new on the website, you go to add new product. So this is what is going to bring as a seller. So you insert, you write the name of the product you want to upload from your website. This one is black seed. I'll be using black seed powder as an example. So black seed powder, you input your price. So if you are doing sales, you input the discounted price. So here is where you upload your product. I have my product saved on my document, so it will be easy for me to upload the product images. So this is how to do that. So you select the file. So black seed, powder. So you search for it, it's going to bring out the powder automatically. I have them on my, so this is what I'll be needing. So these are the powder I want to upload. So I have them already, so I won't bother to add them again. So I'll just cancel and go to my library. So here are my products. So for me to set a feature image, I'll be using the one I want to use as a thumbnail, and this is it. So after you've uploaded all your images, you make sure you add alt text, title, the caption and description. You add the name of the product. You add the name of the product, then you attach the website name. You add the name of the product, then you attach the website name, the website domain. So then you set the feature image. This is what I want. Then I will add the other images. So by selecting them all and adding them to the gallery. So here is the category. So where you want your product to be, either it is a buyer or it is hijab or it is khimar or gift or anything. There is where you will group it. So mine is health and beauty. So I toggle to health and beauty and halal vitamins and supplements. So I'm done with that part. So for you to tag, for you have to add anything relating to the product you want to post. Maybe it is a buyer, but this one is supplements. So you can also add the benefits, some of the benefits as a tag. So supplement and lots more. So here's where I'll be adding a short description of the product. My short description of my products that I uploaded from my document. So this is the short description. So I click on create product. I click on the create product, it will take me to continue the listing. So this is where you are going to add other things you want. Other information will be added here. So now, so your black seed powder, if it is in gram, you will add the gram. If it's in kilogram, if it's in ounce or anything, you are going to make sure you add it for people to see that this is what your product is about, the full description of the full title of your product. So the product type, if they vary, you add the variable, you make it variable and not simple. If they are if they vary in sizes, so if also is an affiliate product or good product, you do that as well. So if it is a virtual product that you don't have a physical store, you add it, you tick it. So I've already done the category and the tag. So the short description has been done as well. So for the long description, you make sure that one will be more lengthier than the short description. We add it will have more information about the product. My long description the long description of of my product. So you can add the name of your product below, above. Once since it has it has some sizes, so that people will be able to know that this is the particular sizes that the gram that you want, that you are selling. So then we go to the SKU. Your product should have an SKU. You input the SKU for this product, the unique identifier for this particular product, BSP1. So it's in stock. So I put in stock. So if it is out of stock, you put out of stock or on back order. Only one quantity of this product to be bought, you tick it. So down to the shipping part. Since your product requires shipping, this is where you'll be inputting the weight, the length, the width and the height. So the weight for this is 0.5. In so the length will be 10 and our width is 7, then our height is 5. So we don't have a we is okay, shipping class, then tax status, then so if your product is it has sizes and is in attribute, it has sizes, this is where you will be adding the attributes. So you add attributes, the attributes here. If it is in 1 ounce, 2, or maybe it varies. If the product is a variable product, that is when you need to add the variables here. So you add the attributes, then you save the attributes, or you go to custom attributes. This is where you can pick the sizes. Maybe it varies in color, or it varies in design, or it varies in sizes. So for instance, if you want to be using the size, or let's say it varies in color, your product varies in color, you click on color, then you add the attributes. You input the each color that you want, that you have. If it is blue, dark blue. For instance, I will be the product doesn't have um varies in doesn't varies in color, but for this I'll be adding the color. So then you make sure you tick it that it is visible on the product page so that people will be able to see the different colors that you have on the dashboard. So once you input different sizes of your product, so you click on used for variation as well, so that you'll be able to input the images of each sizes of the product. Once I've saved the attributes, it takes me to where I will add the variation. So you create variations from all attributes. So you click on go, then you click OK. So three variations added. So these are the sizes, the three sizes that I add for the sizes. So these are them. So you start with the 1 ounce, then you start uploading. So you start uploading the image. So if this is the sizes of the size of the first one that I picked, this will be the image. So you set the variation image, then you add the SKU, then you add the price. This is where the regular price will be. That will be the price for the one that is the only one for the size, the 1 ounce. So you input the weight, the dimension, then you go to the next one. This is for the next one. You do that, you add the image as well for your product. So if this is the image, you do that for this one as well. Then you add the price, the SKU. If you have the sales price for that particular size, you input it. Then this will be the weight. Then once you are done with all the sizes, you save your variation. You make sure you save your variation. The variations are saved now. Then you can see image for each sizes. This is the first size, the first one. This is for the second one. So you do that if you have like 5 different sizes of a particular product. You do that for all the 5 sizes. So then once you are done with that, then you are done with your listing, the listing of the products. You make sure the product status is online and it is visible. Then once you are done with all of that, from the registration of the account as a seller, to the dashboard, to the product listing, to adding all the information of your product on the dashboard of your account. Then when all of that has been input, then you make sure you save your product for listing. Your product has been uploaded. So you check your product out and see how it will look like. So this is the product. So this is how your product will look like once you've saved, and it's going to be visible. So this is how it will look like. So you view the product on your dashboard as a seller. So this is how it's going to look like. This is the price, this is the name, the category, the SKU, the tags, and this is other images. But because this product is not in variable, so I just use that to explain. So because it's not in variable, so it did not bring the quantity. So example of the one in variable, this is example of if the product that varies in sizes. So if once you've done all the necessary steps, you've added the attributes and all of that, it's going to be like this. So you'll be seeing the sizes under. So it's going to show all the sizes. So it will show the sizes for you and it's going to bring out the image for each sizes, and then the price will also change. The image for each prices, and then the image will change and the price will also change. So that's how it's you are going to that is how to upload the product as a seller that will on the website. So that is it basically, how to upload product on Behalaal website. Either they vary in sizes, or they vary in shapes, or they vary in color, or they vary in different types of dimensions. It is all okay to post on Behalaal. Every dimension and sizes and every features are available on Behalaal. Thank you.